Today we are doing a chemical response. Every 5 years we try to simulate some type of chemical spill that would require the fire department to respond and apply firefighting foam to that chemical to make it safe so that we can deal with the spill. This is one of the chapters of the plan that we practice quarterly. This particular exercise hasn't been done for 5 years. We handle about 4 annual training exercises with the department. These range from confined space rescue, high angle rescue, and working in response with Hazmat for chemicals. We accomplish these training missions to protect the workers and the public every day.